Hi, David here, CEO and founder of the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. Imagine playing a game of Monopoly, but never buying any assets or investments that produced any cash flow. Imagine just going around and around the board, collecting the $200, but never investing anything that made any money, just handing your money over to some money manager, or maybe from time to time just speculating on some fad of the day, and doing this over and over for 30 years. And after 30 years, wondering what in the world happened? Why don't I have anything? What happened to my retirement plans? Well, this is what happens to most people. Most people go around that board over and over again and never really take any really hard look at what they're doing. They really don't feel like they either can have any financial advocacy for themselves, or they don't believe it's possible. And so they put their resources out to other people and just hoping for the best. By starting early, by having an earnest interest in how money works and how investments work, is the way to create a life of freedom and peace of mind and security. This is what I learned so many years ago when I was still in school and reading books about money and about investing, and realizing that if I was going to have a life where I had that security, that I was going to do it myself. Yes, I could make money at a job, but that's like going around the Monopoly board time and time again. You make the money, you put the time in, and you make the money. That's fine and good. But what are you doing with that money to make that money work for you? And that's where I believe in assets, tangible assets. You may choose what you like, and whatever that is, that's good for you. But I like tangible assets. Why? Because I've got much more control. Financial markets, I never understood, never made any sense to me at all. And to this very day, I don't have anything in the financial markets. Now, that may not be you, but tangible assets are where I have the ability to choose, pick, and slice and dice where I put my money. And over 40 plus years of doing this, I reached a point some number of years ago where I had enough cash flow that was just turning over and over again, that I really didn't need to do anything anymore. I don't have to work. The money keeps compounding. That's what I call a real investment strategy, which is broken down into tactics once you understand what the strategy is, once you understand the philosophy. This is what we teach in Freedom Founders, what we teach our members, and what we're teaching their kids. Our next gen group, which we're so proud of, is giving them the ability to see forward what their life can look like, no matter what pathway they take, no matter what career choice, what particular profession they decided to do. They can still be advocates for their own financial future. And this is where it starts, understanding that you can do it too. If it's never too late. If you haven't chosen the right steps, get on board, get some education, and figure out how you can make tomorrow a much better one than today. Take care, and I'll see you next time.